Hey everyone, welcome back to MDK Boutique. I'm so excited to share one of my most favorite lehengas with you all today. Just look at how stunning it looks in this rich dark green shade. It gives such a royal and elegant appearance. Let me know what you think in the comments. So without any further delay, let's get started on how I created this beautiful lehenga. Step 1. Cutting the lehenga. First, we're using 5 meters of net fabric for this design. We've already cut the lehenga with a length of 41 inches and a hip round of 36 inches. Now, we're doing umbrella cutting with 8 folds to give it that beautiful flared look. Next, we attach a can-can net strip underneath to add volume and structure to the lehenga. Step 2. Blouse cutting. Now let's move on to the blouse. We are taking 1 meter of satin lining fabric for this. For the blouse, we've marked the length of 14 inches. We mark the shoulder width as 7 inches. Enthusiast. Then, from shoulder to armhole, we mark 7 inches. As your video, we are working on 2 folds of fabric. If you want the chest, we mark 11 inches, which makes it 22 inches around when opened. If you want to neck, we mark 3 inches in width. And for the neck length, we mark 4 inches. Now for the armhole. After marking, we cut a 1-inch deep curve to shape the armhole neatly. This gives a clean and comfortable fit for the sleeve attachment later. Now, cut the fabric exactly along the markings, just like you can see in the video. Make sure to follow all the lines carefully for a perfect shape and finish. Next, we take another piece of fabric to cut the front part of the blouse. Place the fabric neatly and mark it carefully, just like you saw in the back part. Now cut the fabric the same way, following the shape and measurements exactly as shown in the video. Now we cut the armhole with a slightly smaller curve than the back for a better fit. For the neck design, we're going with a V shape. We mark from 1 inch to 9 inches in length. Then from shoulder to chest, we mark 11 inches to shape the front properly. As you can see in the video, we carefully mark the front blouse part to perfectly fit the body shape. Basically, all these measurements are based on the customer's size. So if you're stitching your own, make sure to measure yourself properly and follow the same cutting instructions accordingly. After marking, we now cut the fabric along the lines. Next, we measure all the parts once again to double-check accuracy. Now we attach both the front and back parts of the blouse together at the shoulders and sides. Make sure everything is aligned properly for a perfect fit when stitching. Now we are cutting the front bell part of the blouse. We cut it in a curve shape with 2 curves to give a stylish and structured look to the blouse front. This adds definition and helps the blouse fit more beautifully at the waist. Next, we take the net fabric and place it over the blouse cutting. We carefully attach it on top of the satin blouse base, matching all the curves and edges. Then we cut the net fabric along the same shape, just as shown in the video. This gives the blouse a rich, elegant look and adds an extra layer of beauty. And finally, we begin stitching all the parts together. The front, back, belt and net fabric. Make sure everything is aligned properly and stitched neatly for a perfect finish. Take your time to sew each part carefully for a clean, professional look. After stitching all the blouse parts together, we add an extra touch of beauty by attaching a lace along the entire front section of the blouse. This lace detailing gives the blouse an elegant and finished look, making it stand out even more. Take your time to stitch the lace neatly for the best results.
Now we move on to cutting the sleeves. We are taking a length of 21 inches for the sleeves. Cut the fabric in the same way as shown in the video, keeping the shape clean and even on both sides.
And that's it, guys. Our beautiful blouse is ready, perfectly paired with the elegant lehenga. I hope you enjoyed watching the full making process and got some helpful ideas too. If you liked this design, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MDK Boutique for more creative and traditional fashion content. Drop a comment below if you want to see more designs or have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.